Okay, so this is the correct way to pull out this oil seal from the shocks. So I saw on internet they, use pick tool to remove this retaining ring. Don't do that. You first need to find a way how to press the shock down, and now you will push the oil seal in and you will be able to remove this retainer ring. So that's the correct way. These ones are Showa from Goldwing GL. Okay, now you have exposed this retaining pin. Just take a screwdriver and remove it. Be careful not to scratch something. And now you can release this. Don't put your head here. Yeah, it's a little bit violent, but that's how you do it. And now when we remove this, okay, we have it. Okay, so if you're gonna use the compressed air as I do here, you need to be very careful. It's gonna be really violent. So I put this stopper here, then blanket over it, and now I'll put air slowly. Okay. Fuck. Okay, I destroyed my blanket, but we'll wash it out, and that's it.